What's up, guys? Grifferific here. Today, me and my friend Calvin will be playing Fortnite. He is over at my house because we both live in different states, so we don't see each other a lot. So, yeah. So, we're gonna do a video together. We're like right next to each other.
We're touching each other.
No. Okay. Alright, should we do Battle Royale?
Yeah.
Alright.
Did you not ready up?
I did. Did you ready up?
I think.
Yo.
What? What the heck?
Okay.
George Washington?
Chewbacca.
Yeah.
Oh, these actually hit hard.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's get into our first game.
Yeah, he plays on PC, I play on Switch.
My setup is epic. His setup, is just
It's
a Switch. Yeah. Alright, so I changed my pickaxes to be a dual wielding pickaxe because I heard that the pickaxe glitch like in a car still works with dual wielding pickaxes, so I wanted to try it. Alright, yeah, it's so fun. I hope no one drops me. It's just a giant ramp. One of my friends. Look at what? I don't have a button to get out of build mode, so I either have to mantle or click to one of my weapon slots. Beautiful. Alright. Bro, Calvin hasn't even... Okay, he finally loaded in. Where should we drop? What? Oh, that's the boss. Yeah. Look. Oh my, I hate how that happened. It zooms out so far and then it's like so weird. Switch graphics are so annoying. PC graphics. Oh yeah. Yeah, he's poor. I had to buy my own PC. Like, yeah, pretty expensive. So. It was worth it. I don't think so. Yes, but it'll cost a bunch to get a 3D printer. Oh, rent? You can rent 3D printers? Analyze materials. I'm gonna grab an exotic real quick. Oh, where's the chest? Oh. Calvin, oh, you're like right next to me, so my mouse keeps hitting the blanket. Alright, I have Brutus's minigun. Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna hire him. Dude, he is broken because he his shotgun one taps, I heard, and his AR, his grenades one tap. That's what I heard. Alright, where did he... Bro, he's stuck. He can't get up. Where are you? Did you actually go to the bottom? Dude, you actually have to break so much to get him. You have to break so much to get him out. Yeah. Brutus, follow me. Oh, I thought you were... Nice. Oh, those are sick. Here, take this. No, you don't. No, you have. Oh, now you do. I need a shotgun. There isn't any shotgun. Bro, what is Midas doing? Look at my screen, bro. Dude, I hope I hope he teleports to me, bro. Some kids came down here, I think. Yeah. Okay, maybe they didn't. Oh, finally some chest. Okay. Oh, I need a sentinel. Give me sentinel. Oh, finally, Brutus teleported to me. But now we're in a deep hole. Hopefully he teleports again. I just carry minis. I mean, cause they're a quick, like, good shield and stuff, so. Oh my gosh, bro. Blanket. That's alright. Oh. I was sick the other day, and I still have coughs from it, so. If I cough a bunch, yeah, they're right here, bro. Oh, it's a duo. Boom! Are there more kids? Oh, alright, oh, yo. I got the back bling. The hanger Zadie. I don't know how to pronounce it. Zathiata. Yo, should we actually get the medallion? I mean, it's good movement. It's a good gun. Like, dude, in Crazy Red versus Blue, remember me cooking with it? Yeah, we played Crazy Red versus Blue, and we were actually cooking. Oh wait, with Brutus's minigun, I can just shred Fletcher Cane. Too bad there are kids over there. Let's take him out first. Wait, do you see the blue? Oh, I see. No. Okay, let's get him. Dude! That was too easy too. Do you want the unstoppable medallion? Alright. Yo, we defeated, the guy. Daigo is gone. Dude, I just sprayed him. Alright, let's mosey on out of here. Alright. That sounded so southern or something. Dude, look it. Belly Flop sent someone to the nether realm. Oh, 170. Yo, there are also kids up here. I bet that's who you were referring to. They're not. Oh my gosh, my duck. Holy. Dude, I hit that kid for max headshot, and then I knocked one kid, and then that kid, I don't know, he appeared. Yo, should we rob this place? Alright, now we can rob these, and maybe get, Brutus got eliminated. Do you know how much he cost me? 1,000 gold. Alright, it's a scam. Never buy Brutus. Ooh, stickies and red launchers. I don't know. Alright, let's just go. I don't know. We could go to Pumped. Dude, Fletcher King, the medallion, and the bat. Dude, I am flying. Yeah, and the bat. Do you want the medal? Oh, sorry, I thought I had the medal for some reason. I can't get out, bro. Huh? I can't. Oh, never mind. I just didn't click escape. Really? No. Yeah, guys, I'm just delusional. I don't have the medal. Dude, but the double down pistol is so OP. Dude, it has an OP fire rate. Look at it. Just appreciate it for a second. Alright. Wait, what's the fire rate? 1. It's like boom, boom. Yeah, a second is so long, bro. A second's too long. Do you want the Brutus's minigun? If I already have them, I think. Probably kill you. No. Jump into the water! I wonder why. I get sniped. I'm sorry, PTSD. Bro, I swear, I'm gonna get sniped because of this peak. I don't know. Alright, I think there's some heals somewhere. Look at it! Oh, let's rush it. Oh, there's some kids. Alright, there's a kid with a crown. Oh, I see them. Oh my gosh, I hit a cone right above this. They're at the diamond place that we needed. That the sirens were driving me crazy. Oh, 85! 85 on this black. Oh, dead. Oh, dead. Oh, nice. This kid's teammate should be somewhere because. Hold on, hold on, where did that kid go? Oh, right here, there's some loot. Did I say so much loot? Okay, okay. You're like all the way over there. Dude, isn't he unstoppable? 102? Dead. Yo, outlaw and Steve. I shot him with for 100 with the pistol. Or not the pistol. Then there's some loot right here. I need a... Dude, my loadout is looking good. I just need a better shotgun. And I just found one. I don't like it. Yo, there's a little child. Alright. Let's see. We should rotate. Oh, we just came from over there. Here, let's go to Demon Dojo.
Oh, wait,
Wait, we're talking. Okay, I'm just gonna go up here. Oh! Oh, behind us.
What?
Oh, you're using the... Alright. Oh, it's bots. Why do we have a bot lobby? Oh my gosh, it's me, bro. I can't hit a shot. Yo, you always got a thirst shot. Because, yeah, it's a kid up here. There's a little rat. He's ratatouille. Yeah, got him. Oh, kid. Oh, 93, cracked. Here, I'm gonna push that. Oh, dead! Yeah. Alright, top 8. Oh, Medallions are pushing out. Here, get in here. Oh my gosh. Alright. Do you need shields? Okay. Actually, you have that. Can I throw him down? Yeah, I can. Alright, then we should rotate. Alright, that was good, but also bad. Alright. Alright, guys. Tell Calvin you think he's good. Or, if you guys comment good or bad. Comment he's good. Sometimes he does some insane clutches. When do you? Where are they? Oh, there's some. They are. Oh my god! Hold on. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I missed. Nice. Pressure. I missed. Oh my gosh, I missed. Yeah? Dead? Yeah. Nice. They both have crowns, I think. Do you want the sentinel? Okay. Do you want to take the... Here, I'm going to take this crown. There's 200 pounds. Look at that. Here, And then go try and get to island. Java, huh? Okay, rotate with that. I'm just gonna have to clutch it up. It's alright. Wait, you have the mic. Alright, it's 2v3 or 2v1. Oh, I see him.
Oh, it's a 1v1.
Oh, yeah! I saw him over there. Oh, he's over here. Oh, shoot! Okay, got it. The 1v1. What is he shooting? Oh! Matt.
He's low. Yeah.
Crown victory. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. See ya.